Hello and assalamu alaikum my YouTube members. Thank you for visit my channel. Let's start where we finished exercise 1A. Question number 6. Cheryl uses 273 1 centimeter cubes to make a cuboid. Each side of the cube is longer than 1 centimeter. Finds its dimension. So first of all, we notice there Cheryl uses 273 cubes or blocks to make a cuboid. What is cuboid? A three-dimension figure like that. Now for cuboid, he used 273 1 centimeter cubes. So it's very easy question. Just we have to find the prime factorization of 273 like that. 273, we can cut it by 3 9s are 27, 3 ones 3. Now for 7 13 times 7 is 91, and for 13 it's a prime number, so 13 times 1 times of 13 is 13. So the prime factorization we find is 3 multiply with 7 multiply with 13. So these three are the dimensions of the cuboid. Now moving towards the question number 7. Find all the prime numbers in each decades. There are two decades given, 2011 to 2020, and second is 2021 to 2030. So between 2011 and 2020 we have only three prime numbers. What are they? First is 2013, second is 2017, and third is 2019. So these are the three only prime numbers between 2011 and 2020. Now moving towards the second part, 2021 to 2030, we can write as 2023, the first prime number. The second verse is 2027, and the last one is 2029. So these three are the only prime numbers between 2021 and 2030. Now moving towards the question number 8, that states if A and B are the prime numbers, so that A multiplied with B is equal to 2027, find A plus B. Since A and B are the prime numbers, so the multiple of those two prime numbers is 2027. So as we see in the question number 7, yes, 2027 is a prime number itself. So 2027, since it is a prime number, so its factor will be 1 and itself, means 2027. So it has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. So from our question we will count this one as a and this one as a B. Now we have discovered A and B. So to find A plus B, we can simply add 1 plus 2027. That gives us 2028, A plus B. So that is our required answer. Let's start our question number 9. Now find the prime factorization of the following in index notation. So the first number is 8624. We have already learned how to find the prime factorization. So let's start directly. Since it is a even number, so we can divide it to 4 3 1 2 2 1 5 6. Again with 2 we get 10 7 8. Again with 2 5 39. Now it is a odd number, so we will try with 3, no, not divided by 3, we will try with 7. What we get is 77. Now 7 with 11 and then 11. So our answer will be, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can put a 4 up there, multiply with 2 times 7, so 7 square, 1 times 11. So this is our required answer. Now for 6804, let's start 6804. Since it is an even number, so we will start with 2. 3402. Again it's even, so 1701. Now it is an odd number, so we can divide it by 3. We get 5, 6, 7. Again with 3 we get 1, 8, 9. Again with 3 we get 63. Again with 3 we get 21. Again with 3 we get 7, and then finally 7. So prime factorization will be 2 times 2, 2 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 is 3, 5, and 1 times 7. So this is our required answer. So the next number is 26,163. Let's start. Since it is a odd number, we try with 3. So what we get is 8, 7, 2, 1. Again it is an odd number, so it will give us 2, 9, 0, 7. Now 2907, again with 3, what we get is 9, 6, 9. Now 9, 6, 9. So we get 19, and then for 19 we get 1. So in the prime factorization we get 3 times 3, so 3 cube, multiply with 17, multiply with 19. This is our required answer. Now the final number, the big one, 196,000. Let's start with 2, since it is an even number. 9, 8, 000. Again with 2, 49, 000. Again with 2 we get 24,500. Again with 2 we get 12,250. Now again with 2 it gives 6, 1, 2, 5. Now with 5 we get 1, 2, 2, 5. Again with 5 we get 2, 4, 5. Again with 5 it gives us 4, 9. With 7 it gives us 7, and finally 7 it gives us 1. So the prime factorization will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 5 2's, cube of 5, and square of 7. So this is our required answer. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. Feel free to ask any question if you have any problem. Thank you for watching.